Hello children! Today we are going to learn about land vehicles. Land vehicles are vehicles that travel on roads and railways. There are many different types of vehicles, such as bicycles, cars, buses, lorries, trains, and motorcycles. Are you ready? Let's get started. It's a car. Cars have 4 wheels and a motor. We use them for traveling with our family. This is a bicycle. The bicycle has 2 wheels and moves with pedals. It's a lot of fun. This is a bus. Buses are large vehicles that carry a large number of people. We use the bus when traveling in the city or going to school. This is a fire truck. Firefighters use it to put out fires. This is a lorry. Lorries are powerful vehicles that carry large and heavy loads. This is a police car. Police cars are used by the police to catch criminals. This is an ambulance. An ambulance is used to take patients to hospital and they sound a siren. This is a train. Trains move on rails and can be very long. We use trains on long journeys or holiday trips. This is a tractor. Tractors are powerful vehicles that work on farms. With their large wheels, they plow the fields and make the farmers' work easier. It's a motorbike. Motorbikes are fast and fun, used to go quickly over short distances. This is a garbage truck. Garbage is collected with this truck. Garbage trucks are great vehicles that work to keep our cities clean. This is a jeep. Jeeps are powerful vehicles and can easily drive on rough roads. Now show us which one of these is the car. That's right, it's a car. So, which one of these is the train? Well done! That's a train. Which one of these is the bus? Well done! Here's the bus. Yes guys, today we learned about land vehicles. Which one did you like the most? Subscribe to our channel and like our video. Take care. See you in the next video. Goodbye.